Unboxing and setting up the HPENVY Photo 6200, 7100, and 7800 printer series. Open the box and then remove the documentation and cartridges. Set the box on its side and then use the provided handles to pull the printer out of the box. Remove the styrofoam end caps from both sides of the printer. Remove the printer from the plastic bag if necessary, and then remove the plastic. Remove the setup card. Remove the tape from the memory card reader door if necessary. Lift the scanner lid. Remove the foam sheet and then lower the scanner lid. Lift the cartridge access door. Pull the blue tape to remove the cardboard from the carriage and then lower the cartridge access door. Plug in the printer using the supplied power cord. Turn on the printer. On the printer control panel, select your language and then touch Confirm. Select your country or region. Open the cartridge access door. Remove the black cartridge from the package. Hold the cartridge by the sides and pull the orange tab to remove the plastic strip. Install the cartridge in its correct slot, tricolor on the left and black on the right. Insert the black cartridge into the carriage and then push forward to lock it into place. Remove the tricolor cartridge from the package. Hold the cartridge by the sides and pull the orange tab to remove the plastic strip. Insert the tricolor cartridge into its slot in the carriage, and then push forward to lock it into place. Close the cartridge access door, and then touch OK on the printer control panel. Slide out the input tray, and then remove the output tray. Remove all blue tape, and then slide in the photo tray. Slide the paper guides to their outermost position, and then load a stack of plain, letter-sized paper. Push the stack into the tray until it stops. Adjust the paper guides so they touch the paper stack. Reinstall the output tray, and then slide in the paper tray. On the printer control panel, touch OK to confirm loading paper, and then an alignment page prints automatically. Touch OK. On a computer or mobile device, go to 123.hp.com to install your printer software.